Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download Microsoft Copilot on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download Microsoft Copilot on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to go to the official website of Microsoft, since that's where we can download their Copilot. So just search for Microsoft.com on your search bar. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download Copilot on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the download button for Copilot right here. So just go and click it. And then click the download button once again to finally start the downloading process. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then the installing process will now start. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, your Copilot will now be installed, so you can now start using it. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.